And I
No.
was like, oh no, they're four-wheelers.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, since I document everything with this car, I think I should document the bad as well as the good. We're trying to get out to Gorman today for a second fun trip, but the dust buggy's not working today. She needs some R&R TLC. Alright, that's the plugs changed now, so we're gonna start her up and hopefully she works. Okay. So far so good. Moment of truth, you guys. Nope. So that did nothing. Okay. Alright, you guys. We couldn't get enough of the snow, so this is Gorman round 2. We have the 59 Gypsy out here with us. Look at how much snow is accumulating just from us being in this spot. Oh my god.
Well, that's usually how it accumulates, you know.
Look at this. Shut up, Spencer.
Yeah, this is cool.
Best place to come in a hurry.
Alright.
Woo. Let's go bugging. Yeah. Damn, look at all the snow accumulating. Alrighty. Damn, it's turning into a blizzard out here. We need to get going.
Pushed it up. You know anything to like bash this fucking... It's supposed to hold it in place, correct? Yeah. So is that broken then?
I can't tell. Let me go where you are real quick.
Here, I'm gonna try and push it up a little.
Woo! god, you guys, look at how much more snow there is! And it's still coming down! Look at that 59 bus. That's so funny. Something so old is out here rocking it harder than some of these other modern cars. Hashtag shocked.
Awesome.
That was dope. This is where I need to come with you to snowboard. Woo, keep going, keep going. Woo! Hell yeah! Just Busty!
Yeah, dude.
Where are you going?
I don't know. Alright.
So do you see that little bracket that
Yeah.
holds it up in place? It's cracked.
Yeah. I see that. Let me see your screwdriver.
I think he's getting through, babe. He's getting through. He's getting through! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Hell yeah! Woo! was awesome.
Dude, this bus is pretty fucking impressive.
Yeah. I've always like seen it on Instagram and been jealous, but now I'm like, oh, and it goes off-road.
Yes.
I gotta run to get the donuts. Woo! That way. God, that's so much fun to watch. I think you made a giant ditch. all kinds of ditches because there's so much snow. Gotta get out of this fucking snow. It's so cold. Brain freeze. Oh my god. Wait. Best part about a Super Beetle Baja is all the snow in your teeth. Look at the underside. That looked like fun.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Let's go to the truck and warm up. Woo! Did we just go over trees?
Nice.
She's all snowy and everything too.
Still doing donuts with the fucking funky carb. Huh? Still doing donuts with the funky carb.
Yeah. If you heard that, we're leaning out or something. I don't know.
It's getting weird.
We tried fixing it. It didn't work.
Could be the altitude. Yeah.
Well, it was doing it in
the
Castic.
colder the weather, the denser the air gets, the more fuel you need.
Yeah,
I
and
wanna
we
try
haven't
and do
figured
a
it out
donut
yet.
Or two in there. Will you film me doing a donut over there?
Hell yeah.
I'm winning the race!
You get it. Hell yeah. Woo. Oh! Whoa! He's straight flung rocks here. Hell yeah! Woo! Get it! Hell yeah! Look at this, guys! The carnage! Oh, this was pure white before. It looked like that. Ah! Oh man. Push.
Oh, don't you?
Ah!
Haha.
We'll see who gets the last laugh.
Oh shit.
At least it's soft snow.
At least it didn't go down my freaking.
They're both going. Go, man, go! Hey. Sorry.
This is just like new for us.
We were.
Sorry.
Yeah, we got excited.
Well, I saw this big trailer, didn't I? thought, it's their camper. And I
No,
was like, oh no,
no.
they're four-wheelers.
Yeah. You should have been filming that. We're sorry.
I'm filming it now.
Sorry.
What year is that?
72. You were the cop that helped us when he got his leg hit, I think.
Yeah, when I got my knee busted.
Yeah, a year and a half ago or so. That's awesome.
You were a couple, like in
Busted my knee
Yeah.
on that kid.
Got hit by the kid.
The kid hit me.
do that again?
Really? Oh, frick.
The kid hit. He just came on the wrong side of the trail.
Up and over.
West.
No,
Vic's
no.
Cat.
Vic's
Cat.
And we came down into the canyon, the sand wash, and we were gonna go down and hit Badlands. And just before we got to Badlands, this kid came around the corner and slammed me.
Yes.
And yeah.
We went looking for him. Couldn't find him.
Really? So it was a hit and run and he bailed.
Yeah,
Pretty
it
much.
was. Yeah. Do it! Go! I don't know. That was funny. Woo! It's so rocky. Together.
You gotta get a good run!
That's awesome. Or forget it was there? Ah! You bumped your head. That's funny. I think Spencer forgot that ditch was there.
Dude, I can't see shit.
Right? Same. That's partially why we ended up there. Awesome. Oh.
Stop, because I won't be able to.
Okay.
Stop, because I won't be able to.
Don't stop because I won't be able to. Don't stop because I won't be able to. That's what he means. Almost. Almost. Just plowing. Straight plowing. Ah! That was hilarious. Uh-oh, looks like the bus is stuck. Ah! Still moving. Still moving. No. Done. Ah! Ah! You're stuck. Ah! Alrighty. Here we go.
Hold on. Oh, let me.
There you go, clear out that little bit. All right, push Spence while he, yeah. Nope. Last time, yeah. It's almost there. Yeah, buddy, yeah! Woo! You did it! Awesome!